Hello foodies, welcome to JR Foods. I'm your baby chef Nehitha. Today my mama is going to show delicious chocolate cake. Let's start yummy chocolate cake recipe. Take a bowl, add 1 cup of maida. Add some sugar powder. Add some cocoa powder. Add some baking powder. Add 1 pinch of salt. Now everything mixed together. Now add lemon juice. Now add hot water. Add some melted butter. Now mix a curtain fold method. Take a frying pan, add some butter. Now we're gonna spread evenly. Now dust some flour. Now everything coat evenly. Now pour cake batter into the pan. Now tap the pan. Now preheat her for 2 minutes. Now place the cake pan. Don't forget close the lid. Now cook cake on a medium flame. For instant caramel, I am taking 2 chickpeas. Now crush the chickpeas gently. Make powder as shown. After 15 minutes, our cake cooked perfectly. Now we're gonna demold the cake. Let it cool for 1 hour, otherwise our cake will break. Now sprinkle chickpea powder evenly. Now our yummy chocolate cake is ready. See friends, how easy chocolate cake in the frying pan. I hope everyone will enjoy this video. Bye bye friends. See you in the next video. Have a good day.